Hello there, junior scientists. It is the Rainbow Street Scientist Laura here with one of the famous science experiments in all of history, our vinegar and baking soda experiment, a neutralization between an acid and a base. Our acetic acid, vinegar, mixing with our base, our baking soda, starts a neutralization reaction creating fizzy bubbles of carbon dioxide, which are really impressive, especially repeatable, and lots of fun. But let's amp up this famous experiment with a little bit of colour. In fact, here's something that kids young through to primary school are going to love getting their hands in at home. All you're going to need is some vinegar, some baking soda, and some food colouring. Now, I've also used some tempera paint. It's a powder paint that I've been able to mix with that baking soda so that I've been able to colour it. Then I'm using my food colouring to colour my vinegar. As I pour some of this vinegar into my cylinders, we're going to see that I have already added some colour to the bottom of those cylinders. When that vinegar and food colouring mixes together, we can see some beautiful colours form inside. But we're here to mix colours together. So what we're going to do is we're going to change the order of our powders. We now have a yellow baking soda with a blue vinegar. Let's add them together and see what happens. Measuring a nice big scoop, and 3, 2, 1, in it goes. We have a colour change and another chemical reaction making its way up that cylinder. Is it gonna overflow? Phew, good thing we've got that spill tray on deck. But as those carbon dioxide bubbles mix those colours together, we can see the liquid down the bottom is forming a wonderfully bright green. But we're not done yet. We've got some blue baking soda, some red liquid. Let's mix these ones together and see what happens. Go! We have another neutralization reaction, another lot of fizzy, bubbly, foamy carbon dioxide bubbles. Are they going to overflow? Oh, thankfully no. And it's rather dark in here, so you might not actually be able to see, yeah we can, that we have a nice bright violet, a purple colour forming as those carbon dioxide bubbles have mixed our two liquids. Sorry, our liquid and our solid together. Finally, we have our red vinegar, our red baking soda, our yellow liquid. Let's measure it out and mix them together. We have another chemical reaction occurring, more fizzy bubbles of carbon dioxide, and we have orange forming in that liquid now. All of our primary colours, red, blue and yellow, when they mix together, giving us our secondary colours, which kids love repeating over and over again. Now, if you're in the mood for some science at home, definitely check out streetscience.com.au, where we have heaps of experiment kits that we can ship out to your junior scientists waiting eagerly at home. But you can always jump on and look at our experiments tab as well. That gives you loads of procedures for experiments where you can mix different materials, different ingredients together that you already have in the kitchen cupboards at home. But for now, I've made a massive mess, so I'm going to get busy cleaning it up. This has been Laura from Street Science. Happy sciencing. See you guys.